Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mary Catherine Loves Cats. This is Temu Tuesday and this is a special plus size fashion Temu Tuesday. I have some things to show you, not a lot of things, but things that I needed, and Temu is famous for that. If you need anything, check out Temu because they probably have it and they have great prices. So let me show you what I have and I'll be back. So I have a Temu try-on going on here. This top I've shown you before, but I wanted to show you, I don't know if I can get, the cats are right here, there's toys in this corner. If I can show you, these are, there's many different names for these kinds of things, culottes, I don't know, gauchos, but these have pockets, y'all. It has an elastic waist, and they're a little on the thick side. They're nylon, I would say. I'd have to look at the ingredients of them, but I love that these have pockets. But I showed them with this top because this is what a top that I got from Temu. I wanted to show you how it looks with a Temu top. And then I have another outfit to show you. I'm trying to show you the bottoms again. Again, I got this top and I've shown it to you before. This is from Temu. I don't know why I bought a black top. I never would buy a black plain top like this, but it was in with what I bought a while back, and it is nice. It's nicely made. It's a little bit thicker material, so you really can't see through it. The sleeves are cute. Blue is scratching on my legs. I tried to put the camera down so you could see these pants slash skirt. Can you see? I'm trying to pull them up a little bit. These are the cutest things. I got these to go with the black top. And these, you know, they're very inexpensive. I'll put the link below. These have pockets and it's silky and they're wide leg and it looks like a skirt or a dress. It goes to my ankles. I don't think you can see that. I try to get really into the corner here and I try to move the camera up, but it's super cute. I love it. Very cute. This is a previous top I got from Temu and I do like it. And then these are really, what I'm showing you here are the pants. These pants, I need some work pants and let me see, maybe I can try to put this down a little bit more. It's difficult. Please excuse any fur that you might see on the floor. It's difficult to show you, but they're just a black pant. But what I like about these is they have pockets. I like an elastic waist because I've got, you know, I'm a big girl, plus size. These have nice pockets. And then this is just the back of it. And I'm not going to show you my waist because I don't like to show you my waist, but it's a nice wide elastic band. So these are very comfortable. One last pair of bottoms. Now these are more of a cotton style, a thick, I'll show you everything not on me. These are just cute. I don't know if you, I'm telling y'all, I'm not really good at this, so I apologize. But I don't think you can see. These are just, can you see the bottoms? They're just cute. I haven't worn them this summer. I got them toward the end of summer and just never had a chance to wear them. They are elastic waist. There is a tie here, but it doesn't do anything. It's just hanging there. I'll probably cut that off, honestly. But it's got pockets, and it's just cute. They're cute and nice for summertime. This might be a little disjointed how I show you things. Smudges right here. I have 3 different black slacks. They were either $10, $11, under $12. $11.89 was the most I paid, and one is a long, just a regular pair of pants. I'm gonna have to look real quick because all right, these are like I would say they're a long, these are to my ankle and they're wide leg, a wide leg pant, and they have pockets and they're 100% polyester. All of the things that I have from Temu, a lot of them are polyester, which isn't my favorite thing, but I'll tell you a little bit more about that. All right, so pockets, wonderful elastic waist, and this one had a tie in the front with these big wide, and my stomach, I can't tuck things in because of my belly. So I cut that off because it was aggravating. You see how this is a wide leg. I think this one was $11.89. And I did buy the pants, all the black pants I bought in a 3X because they're an 18. And you have to really know your own body because I did get some 2Xs. I'll show you that in a minute. This one is, now I have two of these that are very similar. Again, pockets, which are, who doesn't love pockets? See, similar waist elastic, polyester, and they're really the same thing, but one is shorter and one is longer. So these are just a nice work pant, and then the shorter ones are great when I'm wearing sandals. They come a little bit above the ankle, and they're great. It's hard for me to find pants. As you know, if you watch any of my Stitch Fixes, I have trouble with pants. I have to try them on because, like I said, some of these are size 16 and some of these are size 18. So next I have the wonderful Palazzo pants. These were $10.98. These I thought were so cute because I had that black blouse that I don't know why I bought. This elastic waist is a little bit different. It is sheared, and then that's the inside. This is a thinner material, but I still think it's polyester or rayon, you know, easy to wash. That's the one thing that I have to have is easy to wash. And these I got in the 2X because they are quite, you'll see it on the model. That's what I mean about knowing yourself. See it on the model. These have the pockets. These are made to be big. So, but I thought I'm going to try them in the 2X, and they fit perfectly. The 3X would have been too big on me. And I'm not the type to wear this kind of thing, but I thought it was so cute, so I got them. And because I needed something to go with that black top. These gauchos, no, let's see. These are, I don't know what you call these, maybe gauchos? These cute ones, these, you know, I don't know why I got these, y'all, because they're a little intimidating for me. These were $11.99. That's the most I spent, was $11.99 on bottoms. So this is elastic waist. Now this is not that rayon or the polyester. It's not polyester. It is like a gauze, but a thicker gauze. So you can't see through it, which is great. It does have this tie on the front, but the tie doesn't do anything. So I'm going to take that off of there. But these I got in the 3X because when you see them on the models, I just thought this would do me better in the 3X. And love the pockets. And then these have this cute bottom. And this is like an army green. This one came in many colors, white and black and turquoise and different pink, I think, different colors. So I just thought for that price, for $12, if I don't like them, you know, I can pass them on to someone. They're not going to hurt anybody. So that's really what I wanted to show you. Those were the bottoms are what I got this time. But also I have shown you these tops before. This is like a Henley top. Now this one is like a t-shirt material. And all my tops I got the 3Xs in. And, you know, I like things to be loose around my belly. And, you know, maybe this is a little big on me because of the way the shoulders are. But it's super comfortable. It is like a t-shirt material. This one is. A lot of things appear to be t-shirt material, but they're not when you get them home. Smudges laying on these blouses over here. Here's that black top that I got accidentally. That's another thing is I've told you before, be careful what's in your cart because sometimes things are in your cart and you don't even realize they're in your cart. So this is, you can see me through there a little bit. I do wear something under this, but it's not too thin. And it's just a super cute flouncy sleeve. So these go great with both of those colored bottoms. And then this top, see now this is what I mean. That's a 3X and that fits me. This is a 3X and this one's too big. If I had it to do over again, I would get this in a 2X. And maybe someday down the line I will because this came in different colors as well. But this is a really elegant looking blouse. You know, very elegant looking. And it is the 3X. It's a little big on me, but I do like it. But all these tops also, again, I didn't pay more than probably $10 or $11 for the tops. This one is also, I thought this was a t-shirty kind of a material, but it isn't. It is nylon. So that's the only thing. When you think you're going to get t-shirt and you don't, as far as for where I live, it's hot a lot. So this is a summer top because it's short sleeved, but I also wouldn't wear it a lot because it's sticky. It would make me sweaty. This one is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So this, even though it's short sleeve, this is something I would wear well around the house. Doesn't bother me with the air conditioning on, or in the fall with a sweater over it or something because the sleeve is short. But it's not necessarily in here in the summer, it's too hot. So you have to be careful, but a lot, there's, sorry, that's Smudge's whiskers on the screen. It's hard to find the ingredients on the items. I can't always see that when I'm buying. So just something to look out for. So y'all, I am not an affiliate with Temu, but I know a lot of creators that are. So if you've never shopped and you want to shop, you can get all kinds of deals if you know an affiliate, if you use their links. So ask me and I'll give you their names, and you can, pick and choose. You just have to be new to the app, new to the website. If you can have 2 different accounts, which I do, and I started off that way using an affiliate. Well, at that time they didn't have affiliates, but I got a discount when I opened both accounts, so to speak. So you will get discounts from these other channels, friends that I know, and you can get some fantastic bargains and cheap clothes. And I have not had to return anything so far, but on clothing, but I have on other products, and they're very easy to work with, very easy to return things. And they just have absolutely anything you can think of. They've got it. They've got some wackadoodle things too. You've got to be, buyer beware. You've got to be careful. I bought some little sticky things that you put in the dryer. It's supposed to catch the cat fur. No, it didn't. All it did was stick to the dryer. They were little faces. I think they were cat faces, but all I did was they're like a slime thing that a kid would throw at the wall and it walks down the wall. It didn't work at all, but it was a fun thing to get and just to try out. It was a couple bucks, So anyway, just buyer beware, and know what you're doing, and do your best to, every item has a size chart. So if you look at something and you always get the 3X because you're a size 18, you may want to just look and make sure that sizing is still working for that item. But their sizing is different than ours. Like I said, the 2X is 16, 3X is 18. So I know based on sometimes by looking at something how it's going to fit me. So I go that route. And we probably all know that best about ourselves. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings and have fun. There's a lot of Temu Tuesdays going on today. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.